The Cottonmouth Advanced Reconnaissance Vehicle, ARV, prototype from Textron Systems, represents one of the most ambitious modernization programs for the United States Marine Corps. Measuring 295 inches in length, 115 inches in width, and 147 inches in height, this formidable vehicle has the capacity to carry 2 crew members and up to 5 embarked Marines. Despite its gross weight of 37,000 pounds, the Cottonmouth can reach speeds of 65 miles per hour on land and sustain 5 knots in water, even in surf conditions exceeding 4 feet. Its amphibious design makes it self-deployable and fully transportable on platforms like the landing craft, air cushion, LCAC, and the ship-to-shore connector, SSC. The Cottonmouth ARV is part of the Marine Corps' initiative to replace the long-serving LAV-25 family, which has been in service since 1983. The ARV is envisioned as a multi-role, highly adaptable armored platform designed to deliver next-generation reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and command capabilities. The program's first planned variant is the ARVC-4 UACE, focused on command, control, communications, and unmanned systems integration. The second variant, the ARV-30, will feature a powerful 30mm autocannon, providing both reconnaissance and firepower for forward-deployed Marine units. Together, these variants aim to redefine how the Marine Corps conducts intelligence gathering, situational awareness, and frontline combat support in contested environments. Textron Systems has already demonstrated the Cottonmouth's advanced electronics and modular architecture during a systems integration laboratory, SIL live demonstration for U.S. government officials. In October 2024, a critical design review highlighted the improved vehicle electronics, emphasizing future growth potential for mission expansion. Moving forward, Textron will deliver an ARV-30 prototype in 2025, allowing the Marine Corps to evaluate its firepower, survivability, and interoperability with emerging battlefield technologies. These demonstrations showcase Textron's commitment to providing the Marine Corps with a versatile platform capable of adapting to the ever-changing demands of modern warfare. The Cottonmouth's design emphasizes not only performance, but also survivability and modular adaptability. With a maximum gross vehicle weight of 37,000 pounds, the ARV achieves a land speed greater than 65 miles per hour, ice wind speed of more than 5 knots, and a fuel efficiency above 3.2. Its modular open systems approach, MOSA, enables seamless integration of contractor or government-provided upgrades, ensuring the vehicle remains relevant for decades to come. The Cottonmouth is fully transportable across multiple naval platforms, including LCA-C, SSC, LCU, and expeditionary fast transports, further enhancing its expeditionary reach. For the Mobile Reconnaissance Battalion, this platform means greater mission flexibility, rapid mobility, and the ability to incorporate cutting-edge technologies as new threats emerge. Stay tuned to Militaryleak for more in-depth coverage of cutting-edge defense technologies, military modernization programs, and global security updates. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to keep up with the latest in military defense news.